Alright, y'all, we got SRTs in the cut and shit like that. You feel me? And he had shit like that. He got a little SRT. He got hold on. I gotta do the intro first, you feel me? We lined up, we got like Q50s, we got Gs, 5.0s, SRTs and shit like that, 370Zs and shit like that. You feel me? I see what my shit. He think he gonna beat me 0 to 60. And this motherfucker right here. You feel me? This shit hard, though. I give it to him. SRT big motherfucker. Not the fake one. Not the fake SRT. What's good, bro? How you feeling?
Bro.
Yeah. I'm already knowing. I remember you from the pit. I already know what's going on, man. You ready to go ahead and do that shit. Yeah, you already know what's going on. This shit hard, though. This shit hard as shit. Shit hard as a bitch. We ain't popping that bitch and shit like that, see what's going on. And shit like that. Yeah, no crap.
I'm about to whoop your ass and just get this shit over
That's a
with,
bet. Let's go ahead.
I don't even do shit like this, bro. I don't even race niggas, bro. He got like 1,000. Listen, yo, let me tell you something. He got like 1,020 things inside this car. But walk with me, yo. Let me tell you something. Bro. You see all these names, nigga? Look, nah, put the camera in my face. You see all these names, nigga?
Right.
All these names, nigga, is exactly the reason why he should probably win. If
Right,
don't win,
I
that's
should
a
win.
That's a
You got
problem.
an SRT, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, he should win. Walk with me.
What else?
Walk with me. You see these motherfuckers right here?
Man, that bitch is 2.5 intakes.
You
That
see
bitch
these
is
motherfuckers
phony.
right here? This nigga has 2 intakes.
That shit
I have
phony.
one fat ass jukebox in my. You see this shit right here, y'all? You
What?
see this motherfucker? These young bull ass tires right here?
Right,
bro?
exactly.
These bitches weigh like 2 pounds, bro. If his ass gonna move in this lightweight ass car, motherfucker like a big ass RC, bro. Come on, man.
Big ass RC.
You see this motherfucker? You see this right here?
Right.
This fucking
Right.
Jackie Chan. fucking
Jackie Chan. I'm ready to whoop you with this Jackie
karate
Chan
white
shit.
belt ass stick you got right
Yeah,
there.
you know that bitch hard. I like the packing session. He don't like the packing session. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at this shit right here. Let's go and take a look at this shit right here. Oh my God. First of all, he gotta pay. He didn't gotta clean his car. These fucking rims dusty as a bitch. Hella brake dust. This nigga got 6-piston brakes on his shit. Can't even keep him right and shit like that. Nigga tripping like shit. I bet his shit. Look, he trying to record. I bet this shit not. That shit better not. Oh, that shit open. That shit open. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me gotta stop.
This nigga right here, bro. This nigga right here.
You feel me?
Think you about to whip my motherfucking shit like I ain't.
Yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, y'all, he got new tires today. By the way, y'all. You feel me? I put them on to my guy and shit like that. But by the way, y'all, so he got some good years. Oh, we got 2. Oh, we got shits coming up. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Niggas do not know who they are. That's what I'm saying. I ain't never seen them before.
Who is that?
I don't know who they is. I don't know who they is, though. For real? Oh, I ain't need to see it. Ready, set, go. I'm talking.
Round 2, fight.
No bullshit. Yep, they got that shit.
Alright, y'all. So Zay didn't want to race me. Oh, he got his RC 350 behind me. Damn, his lights bright as shit. Got a Q50 behind us and a 370Z manual. I can't even really see. Damn. making sure we in map 3. What's good, y'all? We going to my boy Ray's garage real quick. My man's with the Q50. Red Bippin. They'll just be on some like cool content and shit today. Not nothing crazy. Y'all see my man with the RGB. Just blanking. You know. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there. If y'all don't know him, probably a lot of y'all know who he is for real. But he a rapper. He do car raps and shit. Whatnot. Yeah, we had rain shit. Getting a motherfucking cut with my guy. Hella shit going on. All niggas probably already know who bro is for real. He rapping cars, all types of shit. All type of shit, man. Type of GZs. Yeah. If y'all niggas want to get y'all shit wrapped, I'm gonna put his little tag right here and shit. And whatnot. He rapping hella cars a fucking week. Can't, and it's good. Let me show y'all the fucking. Let me zoom in on his work for real. Cause niggas, some rappers don't even be nice. Let me get a real zoom in clip. And this is one of the few he got right here. Yes, sir. What wheels do you got on here? Indy 500s. I got the same tires too. What these is? They're like 225, 255, 35, same thing. The same tires I got. That's crazy. Sick hard.
I'm about to get the wall painted.
What color?
No, it already painted black, but I mean like design like a
like how Kai Run be doing it.
Shit, something like that.
Yeah.
This ball big as shit, yo. I might piece by piece. Yeah, that shit expensive.
You good? No. That's always a bitch.
I asked y'all how to drive like that. You talk about I'm used to it.
He can't drive like this though. He probably break.
Drives like this, dog.
No, he don't drive like that.
Not down like this, but his tires still be slanted.
He's saying
like that.
yeah.
He's like, I'm used to it. I had a Jetta just like this.
No, he don't drive like that. He fucked that bitch up over here. I had to go pick his shit up and tow it.
Oh, this nigga. Okay, I seen it. I seen it.
He drove 2 hours, but his the bead popped off the tire. That shit on the floor right now. The rim on the front.
What you mean? Oh, that what they call that shit? The Nah, it's the new shit going around. The Hispanic shit. The HKKK car, some shit. I'm talking about. Kilo K car. Know what I'm talking about? Yeah, the little Kilo K cars, the Hispanic cars, whatever they be calling them.
No, he is fan.
He's Hispanic? Yeah.
His name Edgar.
Edgar, yeah. That's a Kilo K ass car, now. God. Damn. Ooh, that's spicy. This shit clean. It's for the YouTube now. Yeah, that's what I was telling him earlier.
Yeah. Get like that.
Yeah. Oh shit, man.
I mean, I'm trying to stream in here too sometimes, but like.
You got the setup for it.
I be so,
Time consuming.
I feel like I can't do both.
Yeah.
Cause like, with the streaming shit, you gotta answer the, comments and shit, keep people entertained. But like, if I'm working strictly on a car, I'm trying to get something done. I can't be stopping and shit like that. Like this car, like the bumper with the coupe,
That shit.
Yeah, I ain't talking about. I don't. I should feel so clearly though. Yeah, it's easier. You see that motherfucker?
Oh yeah, you be smoking it. Yeah. It's crazy.
That bitch hard.
It's the tow truck.
Yeah, it's the calm shit right here, y'all. Yeah, that bitch hard. Let me think. Listen, what's the name? 25?
2022.
22? Okay. It looked like a 25, 24.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, all the difference is the fucking.
Damn, bitch hard.
Got the screen to connect. That's the only difference.
Oh, okay.
But like the thing is, I don't like the new ones because they ain't got no buttons. Like they ain't got no AC buttons. They ain't
Okay,
got,
yeah, I don't
that
know.
shit all in the screen for. I don't
Yeah.
like that shit.
Dang.
That shit right there.
I know this is moving down
Big
here.
trigger. Yeah.
I know it, dude. I'm
Once
already
that
knowing.
bitch start going,
I'm already knowing.
someone
Oh, ain't got it partially wrapped too. I ain't okay.
match the spoiler on or the diffuser on the G on the Q. Some of these fucking letters.
Yeah, yeah.
Put a G on the Q on the.
Yeah, they know the alphabet out this bitch. G to Z to M.
This bitch really hard, Donnie.
They got no our own car.
That's the shout of Donnie Dudley, baby Drake. Ain't too big, wait till you see this shit gon' die. Your niggas gang. Too gone, shit on top of my phone, ain't no say no way.
My fucking third to fourth gear shift be so hard. My man's right here and shit. You going home from here? Yeah. Motherfucking roundabout? Yeah. Alright, bet. That's a bet. Can't see shit for real, y'all. And his light's bright as shit. Turn on your fucking high beams. Turn off your high beams, my nigga. My shit smell like straight catless. I don't know why he tried to take off on me like that. bitch look sound good. Alright, Dobby. Yeah. Flashing that thing. Haha, he flashing that shit. Ta.
Thank you. Come again.